A bullet of mass 20 gram has an initial speed of 1 meter per second just before it starts penetrating a mud wall of thickness 20 centimeter. If the wall offers a mean resistance of 2.5 into 10 to the minus 2 Newton, the speed of the bullet after emerging from the other end of the wall is close to, well, say this is the mud wall. Now the bullet is about to enter. Okay, so initial velocity of the bullet is 1 meter per second. Well, so final velocity we want, and acceleration, actually indirectly they are giving acceleration means retardation only here, so that is F by m. So force is given as 2.5 into 10 to the minus 2 divided by mass, so 20 by 1000. Okay, so that is meter per second square now. Okay, all are in converted in SI. So now we can use, because acceleration is constant, so directly we can use the formula v square equal to u square plus 2 into a into s. S is, that is 20 centimeter. Okay, s is 20 upon 100. We have converted all this thing in that one SI. But remember, the value of acceleration you have to put negative, no? Because it is retarding. The velocity is going this way and the retarding force is this way. So acceleration will be in the reverse direction. So it will be negative only. So after putting all these values, v square is equal to 1, u is 1 only, 1 square plus 2 into, so that is cancel out. This is 2, this is 50. Okay, so calculation part you can carry along with us. Okay, so that is 2.5 into 50. Okay, divided by 100, you know, so 1.25 only. And that is 1 by 5 meter only. Well, v square equal to 1 minus, so this part is 1.25 into 2 divided by 5, so 0.5 only. So v equal to under root 0.5, so which is nearly equal to 0.4. Okay, or 0.7, 0.7 meter per second. So that B part, B option is the correct option.